Hey guys, this video I am going to show you heads of famous baseball player in the world. Baseball as the national game of USA America. How to play baseball games. Baseball as a team sports played between two teams of 9 players each. The objective is for one team to score more runs than the other by hitting a pitch ball and running around 4 bases arranged in a diamond shape. A run is scored when a player successfully reaches home plate after touching each base in order. The game consists of 9 innings with each team taking turns to bat and field. The team with the most runs at the end of the game wins. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget subscribe button, bell icon and get more the information of data world and the world information.